Once you've created your first list, you're going to want to create a sign-up form. On your dashboard, go to the top and hit Lists, and then go to the list that you've just created. Hit Sign-up Forms, and then select Next to Form Builder. You can edit the way this form looks by hovering over the header, and you can use an image instead of text, or you can edit the text, or you can remove it altogether. You can also add a message. You can add or delete fields. I'm going to add a birthday field and drag it up to the top, and then remove the last name. You can also go to the Design It tab and change the color of the body or of the text, among other things. Once you're happy with how the form looks, copy and paste this link into a new tab, and you can see it the way Lead will see it when they click on the link. Going back to the previous tab, there are other options for the sign-up form besides just sharing the link. If you click back on sign-up forms, you'll see that there are two other options. One for embedded forms, that's something that will be right in the body of your website or blog, and one for pop-up forms, that's something that will pop up on your website or blog. The option you choose will depend on where you want to put that sign-up form. For example, if you're doing it on your social media, like your YouTube account or your Facebook, you probably don't want to use the pop-up form or the embedded form. Rather, you just want to paste the link to the sign-up form itself. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful.